I'm Matthew Guile. I'm the founder and Chief Visionary Officer for Emergent 3D. What you're seeing behind me here is the culmination of 3 years of work. It's a site-built 3D printed house, and so this is the first in the state of California.
3D printing allows us to build these beautiful organic shapes and do it at a very affordable way.
It's an opportunity to look at, technology coming to everyday life.
We're providing affordable housing for our community members.
These houses will be marketed for families that are income qualified.
How we can build a structure faster. That's one of the main advantages of this technology. You can basically customize your house the way you want it.
We've got a $50 to $60 million capital expenditure program over the next 10 years. We are planning to put 50 to 60 of these printers to work all over the North State and the U.S.
It's exciting, it's the new wave in building technology.